Good afternoon mga boss, July 26, 2025. Oras na to is almost 5:30 in the afternoon. Nalay nihabol na to nga buyer today. So di na to usikan ang time. Ato dyan i-check tayo ng unit to take the video to document ug unsa ka hinog. So literal nga repeat buyer nato ni karon mga boss no, from Sikihor. Kay tulo na gyud ka unit ang iyang nakuha nato ani from first gen Toyota Fortune Hilux, and then going to Toyota Hiace, and then the last nga gi-purchase nato it's first gen Kia Rio. So this time natin check a unit. It's a 2022 but 2023 acquired. It's also elf drop side powered by 3.0 4GG2 engine. So yan yung gamiton of course sa iyang business. So good afternoon Sir Neil, owner of Lassie Beach Club in Secure. So let's go. So Sir Neil, finally na nata sa unit. As we can see, super kayo hinog ka unit. So again, this is a 2023 model but 2023 acquired, powered by a 3.0 engine 4GG2 engine. So all goods, interior, exterior, aircon niya, working rig kayo. So this is a mechanical drop side, single tire, pero pwede na natin na ma-install siguro for sure o double tire soon. So let's go, check na to.